To all Filipinos out there, this is Chinkitan, and I'm really so blessed and given the opportunity to visit here in Seoul, Korea. And indeed, it's really such a pleasure to serve the Filipino people here. And I know most of us, the reason why you're here is because we want to provide for the best for our family. So I just want to encourage you, if you want really to experience financial freedom and peace, there are three things that you need to really achieve. Number one, you got to have financial literacy. You got to know about money. Second, even though you know much about money, but if you are not number two, financially disciplined, it will never work. So on top of being financial disciplined, the most important thing is being financially responsible. It doesn't mean to say that you earn money, you have money, so you have savings right now, you're going to spend everything. So you just need to be more responsible in spending your money, when to invest, when should you give, when should you support your family. So again, three things: financial literacy, financial discipline, and financial responsibility. Congratulations, and I hope that you follow me at my social media channels.